just a party. You know that I can pay the fee. I be in and out the bank so much I know they tired of me. Honestly, I don't give a fuck who ain't.
Watch out, mommy. Watch out. Look up, look up, so.
Yes, I'll stop. Stop. Listen.
Everything I've been wanting, manifesting for my life. Everything you've been wanting.
AJ, please go play next to
Yeah, bitch, man. Akia. Jesus.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is basically a standard reset video. I have a little blur on the camera. I don't know what one. I don't know how long this is gonna last for. So I'm gonna do a standard reset video. Before you guys saw where I was doing laundry, I'm going to do a cook with me, and I'm also going to do self-care. So that's my standard reset. But before we get to this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, tell a friend to tell another friend, and also don't forget to turn on your post notification bells so that you won't miss a video each and every time I upload. So now we are going to go grocery shopping because I'm going to start the cook with me part of it, because the laundry is almost done. I have one more load if you hang out. So me and the boys are going to go to the supermarket to get dinner. What else? That's it. I did my hair yesterday. How does it look? I think me look like some shinies monk at the front part. Me need to start look edges. Edges. This me use my edges. Girl. When me I tell you, don't can't look like something. Bye bye. Hey, Miss Son, I said bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah, so we're going to go now. Yeah, look at what I'm in. This is what I'm in. Oh, happy so well.
AJ, come tie your slippers.
You have any shoes? You say no one wear that they can toenail and clean.
You never said that.
My bun season. What is her name? What is her name? Miss Birdie. Yummy. HGB. It's a bun season. It's a fun season. AJ, you coming back? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Alright guys, we are back home and I've decided to cook rice and peas and baked chicken and whatever vegetable I have in our house. I don't know if at that time I can cook, but I let me cook. I get cucumber. I'm going deal with the peas. My mother has some sursi to make some sursi. So she know what I dash the sursi bush, so I'm going to put it in here. Come on, use that pot there, 1 KFC. And then alright, so I'm gonna make the I'm gonna put on the peas. I'm sure this like what you have. More. Remember, that's what's gonna happen to me. Can't come out of the fridge. Oh, just a party. You know that I can pay the fee. I be in and out the bank so much I know they tired of me. Honestly, I don't give a fuck who in front of me. Fun to mixtape in 6 months, no bitch working as hard as Akima watch Transformers in the background. But this is my din din. We got some mixed vegetable, we got some chicken, meat off top pot, and we got some rice. So this is a little dinner. So I'm gonna enjoy. This is like a Sunday recess. I'm gonna have to show them all of that. Deuces! Okay guys, so it's time for the self-care part of it. It's bedtime. I think it's like after 8. So I'm gonna brush my teeth, wash my face, and then you know it's shower time. So of course so wash my face, I'll dry it with something new because it can't work with napkin because I can't wait for it to ear dry. I'm feeling a little bit lazy, very tired. I mean, just let me get rid of all of the green. Yes. I'm gonna add some of this to my face. So now, at the edges, hide out my hair. To get in the shower, which I've showed you guys that 1,000 of times. So I'm gonna go ahead and end today's very short reset vlog, just a little touch up a couple parts of everything, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, tell your friends to tell another friends to come on over and watch Karen Fam.
Sensual.